Even though Sephoria's session 1 this morning, Friday morning, was canceled due to the rain, I found out that we can go over and pick up our swag bags. So I did. Okay, ready to see what's in here? First, we have the Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo, which is super awesome. I got some of this. Love that. Very happy to get a full size. A Cryo Rubber with moisturizing hyaluronic acid, Dr. Jart Plus Intensive Care Mask. A 2-step intensive moisturizing mask. I've not tried that before. It looks a little freaky, but those are always the best things. The B-Hydra from Drunk Elephant, the hydration serum. I love this. I went through a whole one, and I'm just about out. The Glow Recipe Strawberry Pore-Smooth Blur Drops. Nice. I'm not adding everything up yet. Probably go afterwards and add everything up and see how much it's all worth. The Innisfree Green Tea Seed Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I have not tried this at all. I've tried some Glow Recipes, a lot of Drunk Elephant, some Amika. Brazilian Boom Boom Cream, my favorite. Love these. I have some at home. I always need more. Fan Fest Mascara, which is good because the mascaras I brought along are empty. They're dead now. So, yay for the Fan Fest, and that was one of them. The NARS, what's this? Mogador, not Matador, Mogador. Power Matte Lipstick. Yay, looks like a pretty color. The Natasha Denona, the little mini palette, the mini nude palette. I love Natasha Denona. I'm actually so looking forward to seeing her. Yay. I got my ticket. Charlotte Tilbury, I'm signed up to see her. This is her Pillow Talk Beauty Light Wand Easy Highlighter. I have not tried these yet. One came in the Beauty Advent Calendar, but I have not opened that yet. I'm so excited. I'm dying. Just dying. Tower 28 Shine On in Chill. So that's awesome. The lip jelly. I have, I think, 3 or 4 of the Tower 28s, but I do not have Chill yet. The Say mascara, I do not have. I love all of my Say products so far. I might not use the glowy Starlight one a whole bunch. I don't use the Sun one a whole bunch because I'm pale. I like being pale. Wow, this is a big size. This is K18 Biomimetic Hair Science Peptide Prep Detox Shampoo. I gotta smell, well, gotta see if it's open. Can I open it? It's sealed, and I don't want to unseal it for the flight back, so I will have to smell it whenever I get over there later on, when they open it up again for us. And there's still more. The YSL, the Rouge Volupté Shine Oil and Stick. Does it say the color? Or just Shine Nude. Oh, how gorgeous. And this, guys, this is the silver swag bag. We haven't even got to the gold swag bag yet, right? And here, I'll open up the Tower 28, the Shine On one. Yeah, it's just clear, so I don't, woo, I put it on. But now my lips are shinier. Just kidding. Got a sample of the Kilian, the Angels Share by Kilian. I love the Love Don't Be Shy. Haha, get it? I made a funny kind of. Pat McGrath, we have a Perma Precision Liquid Eyeliner. I love Pat. Oh my gosh. In Extreme Black. So I love, and having, I don't use a lot of liquid eyeliners, but I do play with them. So, yay, Pat McGrath Labs. And it's liquid. And since I fingered myself, that's what it looks like. And I'm not opening up the mascaras and getting them exposed to air early. No. The Patrick Ta, the Laminated Brows. I have not done my brows today. I didn't do anything. All I did was moisturize. Boom, boom, boom. And here the streets of New York outside here. So the Patrick Ta. Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. Not tried any of their products yet. So yay. Oh wow, this feels so heavy. The Moroccanoil Treatment for all hair types. The original. Look at that. That's why it's heavy. I've got some samples of Moroccanoil. Rich just used up one of the shower gels when we were in Minneapolis. And the Denona Myrix. Yay. Her Color Fix Mattes in Latte. So I have not tried any of her products. Well, not these. I think I have one thing at home of hers. And I love it. So I'm really looking forward to trying some more. Oh, it's the purple eyeliner. Love that. Look at how pretty that is. Oh, yay. Just a little bit. Just a little bit, right? Like that's so little. And it's holy hecka pigmented. Oh my gosh. Wow. Boom Bus $25 gift card. Nice. Rare Beauty, the liquid blush in Happy. I believe I have one of these at home, which means this might become, I'll double check when I get home, but this might become a Christmas prize. The Fenty Beauty Mascara. Wow, I think it's the mascara, I'm assuming. Hella thick, yeah, volumizing mascara. Nice. I have a little mini sample at home already. Tom Ford perfume. Ooh, and it's a little. As I try to open it. Tom Ford perfume. Okay. This is Laneige Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Gel Moisturizer. I have some little samples of this, but I have not tried this yet. And I just dropped the little spoon that comes with it. That's a cool package. Summer Fridays Dream Oasis Deep Hydration Serum. Guess what I also have at home that just arrived while I've been gone. So yay, I'm looking forward to trying that. The Sephora Size Up Mascara. That's a huge mascara container. Yay. You're supposed to dump your mascaras every so often. So I've just been going through the sample sizes that I've got. This is another Tom Ford. This is the Electric Cherry perfume sample. And the Caudalie Mask Instant Detox Vinergetic C+, Instant Detox Mask. Love face masks. Makeup Forever. This is the Step 1 primers. Nice. I don't have a lot of Makeup Forever stuff. And then we have the Replica Lazy Sunday Morning. The Caudalie Vanilla. I don't have any of their stuff. The KosasSport LipFuel in Pulse. And the Love Shack Fancy Forever in Love trial. So I want to see the color on here. I was going to buy one of these. And I put it off. And it's a good thing I did put it off because I got a free one. And that's everything.